Welcome back to Henry's Garage. In this video we strip down the head and clean it up and find out what a mess it's in. I'm having all kinds of problems with my video cameras at the moment because this camera is totally unusable and I'm using this old one, and this one is not doing a great job, so the sound isn't as good. I lose video. When I thought I was recording, I was actually in time-lapse mode and all kinds of, so I apologise for that, but we're going to have to live with it for a while. So having stripped this down, I think this head really needs, I don't know how much work it needs. It just looks like it needs a lot, because it seems to me it's got some holes within the head that are filled that shouldn't be, and it's absolutely definitely not flat. It wasn't before I had a go at it, and it's certainly not now, so it's a real mess, I think. So we're going to actually, I just don't have the funds to deal with it at the moment because of the Stag and the other TR7, so, and a couple of other things going on in life. So it's going to have, the engine is going to have to be put to the side for probably 2, 3, maybe even 4 months until I've saved up the money to tackle it, which is a shame. So you can have a look at this. Apologies that the video is a bit here and there, but we'll see how it goes. Today we're going to take a look at cleaning the head up and seeing what we've got there. So we'll start with the spark plugs. I think the cam followers are all pretty loose on this. Yep, those are all moving so far, spinning at least. And we'll get the valves out. We'll give it all a clean. We'll see what it looks like. Okay. Yeah, not quite sure how we'll do it all, but that's what we're going to do first. Right, so we've taken it all out. Well, almost. So we've got the valves out. This is inlet, I think, or an outlet anyway. So we've got valve out. We've got the outer collet. We've obviously got the collet and the cam chaser. Let's get it all here. So for each valve, we have the well, which I haven't got out on the ring. We've got the collet. It's a little. Is actually the valves are set at the right distance. Get this back in. There is a collar still on the inside which I haven't got in out yet. They all have guides as well. That's on the other engine. I've got a video. Let me show you that video now. Yeah, that shows it. So that's what comes out. And I also want to show you this. This is just a little bit of the crud that was in this car. I mean, look at that! Wow. Anyway, I have no doubt my other cars are like that as well. So we'll have a look at see now if we can get those. Well, we're going to clean this up, but we're going to see if we can get the other from in here. If we can get the other collars out. Okay, so the next thing we're going to try is we're going to clean up, see if we can clean up the piston rings on the wire wheel. Right. So, a quick read, and yeah, I shouldn't have been using a wire brush really. It can damage it, so I might have a bit of scratching in here now, which won't be great. But I've been looking at these pockets here. So I've got an image here of a reconditioned head, and we can see the holes, and you've got one on either side and one on either side at the top. So these two are right, this is right, these are blocked off appropriately, I presume for unleaded, but this here should be open. So I do have a problem here, which is not something I particularly expected, it's fair to say. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. You know, I don't know what's been used to fill it in. So, anyone got any thoughts? It'd be good to know. But yeah, so because you know these, it must be for unleaded or something that they've been filled in, I guess. Or they were always like that. But it's just a matter of I've got to work out how to. You know, I mean, I don't know where they go or how they connect up, but they must connect up in some way. They must connect up in some way to allow the flow of air and water and everything. Oh dear. Okay. We'll put it down. We'll have another look tomorrow.